Thank you for watching, and in this video we are going to cover Convert Entities tool in SolidWorks. So Convert Entity tools allow us to leverage the existing faces, planes or other references and bring them into our own sketch. So the point is, when we already have some face or geometry, so why we need to create them again? We can just convert them into our sketch. So we can start, and suppose we have a body here in front of us and we want to bring into our sketch. Suppose we want to edit this plane and we want to sketch on it. So what we can do is we can click on the plane and we can go into the sketch, and then we can just select the face which we want to bring into our plane. So we would just select the face, and then in the toolbar of sketch, in the ribbon section, there is a tool which is Convert Entities. So we are just gonna go in and click Convert Entities. Look, the whole face is gonna sketch or created on our plane. But another thing, like if we want to bring the holes, what we can do is we can just select the holes, and then again we can go into Convert Entities. So the holes are also gonna draw on our plane. So the next thing, I would like to go into the features and extruded boss them. So the tool which we already discussed in previous lessons, so I would just extrude it. So I'm gonna change the direction and let's extrude it like this. So we have multiple bodies right now, and look, this is exactly same as we already had in our sketch.
Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then I'm gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video and you would find a link of my course where I have over 10 hours of videos in which I have explained each and every command in a very detailed video. Or if you have any projects or assignments, so feel free to write me on my email, which is given into the description of this video. Thank you.
Okay, another thing, like if I want to change or if I want to make any changes in the sketch of previous body, so it's gonna have the same effect on our newly created body. Suppose I want to edit the sketch of this body, so what I can do is I can go into the sketch and edit sketch. So in this sketch, as you can see, the distance between outer diameter and inner diameter is 0.5 inches. So I would like to increase it till 1, so the hole is gonna be small. So the hole is small, and if I'm gonna end the sketch, so you can see it's the same in the both bodies, like the hole is small now as compared to before. So the thing which we have done is we already used our existing face and bring into our plane. So exactly the same thing we can do by using a existing sketch as well. Suppose there is already a sketch, so we want to bring into our plane. So what we can do is we can go back into the plane, sketch, and then we can select this sketch. It's sketch 2. We can just select the sketch, and then we can go into the Convert Entities. So the whole sketch is gonna come into our plane, and then what we can do is we can again extrude it. We can change the direction, and then we can press the green check mark. Look, in this way we can just bring the existing sketch into our plane as well. So I would say this is a tool which can save you a lot of time. So the thing is, like, this was a really simple example, but if you are working in complex assemblies and sometimes you don't want to use any part into that assembly, but still you want to copy the reference or some plane or something like that, so which you don't want to create again, so what you can do is you can just bring that part into your assembly, and then you can just use that references or that planes, and then you can just sketch it into your assembly. So in this way you can save your time.
And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you.